on the outskirts of Hua Hin. There's a Buddhist temple that's famous. And I asked the locals what the name was, and they told me. I just cannot pronounce it. That's how difficult the Thai language is. But it's on the outskirts of the city, and it's right next to the ocean. You could actually see the Buddha statue right there. So we're just going to go upstairs and take a look. And I'm very excited about this, as I am about everything else. But there are a line of shops and restaurants there as well to take care of the tourists, and that's what we're doing. So let's go. Such a nice coastline. Boats for rent. Let's go take a look and see what's up here. And that's it right there. Anyone could let me know what the statue is, I'd appreciate it. At least the name. I got this artwork here. So this is going to be one long walk all the way up here. It's hard to tell, but this is very steep. It's, I'd say about 70-degree angle. This is not for the faint of heart. And it's a really nice view so far. I haven't seen any monkeys, but there's a sign right there that shows a picture of a monkey. Look at this. Monkey food. Down 3%. Wow. Guess I better ease up on my spending. So we're climbing up these steps here. Now we're heading to the top of this structure. And check out these views here. Wow. right there. And another one there. Oh, gee. Will I survive this? I sure hope so. Well, it's nice to get you on camera. Good idea. Oh man, am I that scary to the puppy? Meow. Or cat. I sure hope this doesn't say it's closed because I can't read Thai. Seems like I have a following here. Oh, it says to don't take picture of the temple, so guess we're not going up there. And we're gonna walk back down. It's about 5 p.m. right now, and it's gonna rain. So as promised, I'm going to show you how far of a walk down it is, or how steep it looks, I should say. And look at that. That is actually very far, but it looks close. Well, thank you everyone for watching this video here. This This was a workout. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be going around more places around this lovely city. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe. If you hated the video, hit that like button twice, but at least tap it once. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you very much for joining me today. Have a good day.